teachers and my dear friends. My name is Shubhang. I am studying in 4th class B section. Today I am going to say about Republic Day. Today is 26th January, the Republic Day of our country. This is a national festival of our country. This year we are celebrating our 72nd Republic Day. Before independence, India was under British rule. The Constitution of India came into force in 1950. This day is very important for the citizens of India. India is a very democratic country. On this day, Republic Day is very important to us as Independence Day. On this day, we salute the tricolor flag, people, citizens, army. Thank you.
Good morning, my dear respected sir, madam, teachers and my dear friends. I am K. Vashika from 4th standard. Today I am going to tell about Republic Day. Republic Day is national festival and it's celebrated on 26th January every year. India will celebrate its 71st Republic Day this year. People celebrate this day with lot of zeal and happiness. 1950 is the constitution was started by our freedom fighters. On this day, Constitution of India was implemented for the first time. The President of India hoisted the national flag on Rajpath in New Delhi. This day gives us the message for our freedom fighters and their sacrifice for our country. Jai Hind! Jai Hind! Thank you.
Respected principal, teachers and dear fellow students, good morning. As you know, today all of us are here to celebrate the 72nd Republic Day of our country. Every year we celebrate Republic Day on 26 January because the Constitution of India came to force on this day in 1950. This day main celebration is held at Rajpath in New Delhi. This day reminds us of our freedom struggle and how the great freedom fighters of our country sacrificed their lives to get us the Poon Swaraj. It's because of this struggle today we are living in a democratic country where each citizen has got some rights. Today is a day to reaffirm our commitment to unity in diversity, fraternity and equality among all our citizens. Thanks again for giving me an opportunity to speak in front of you all. Jai Hind!